Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glory O'Kings. Thank you so much for stopping by, and do not forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy protective style on your 40 natural hair or on your natural hair. First off, I'm going to be dampening my hair or spray my hair with water just to dampen it up a bit, because well, we're supposed to manipulate our hair while it's damp or wet. Do not style your hair when it's dry. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a part or a section at the back which would divide my hair in two. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to separate that from the front part of my hair. Now I'm going to make a side part. You can make the parts in any location you want. You can make it on your right side, you can make it on your left side. I just decided to do this style from the right side, which is what I felt like doing. And then I'm going to section this part away so I can start with the other part. Now I'm going to start flat twisting my hair. I'm just going to make big sections, not small sections, because I'm not trying to waste time. I'm trying to give quick and easy styles. So I'm just going to section my hair in big sections. I sprayed some water initially, so my hair is damp. That's why I was able to comb it. Now I'm going to start flat twisting, and the method I'm using is I'm using my right hand to make the parts for the twist and grabbing with my left hand so the twist goes inward, if that makes any sense. I'm going to link a video of how I flat twist here in at the top corner of my screen, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's the way I'm flat twisting. If you've not checked out how I flat twist, just watch that video before you watch this one if you do not really know how to flat twist, so you understand what I'm talking about or what I'm doing or what I'm showing. So I'm just going to flat twist this section and continue until I feel I'm going to make it have a side part. So I'm just going to do that until I'm done flat twisting. So I'm just going to show you guys how I am flat twisting the hair. This is not really a flat twisting tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm just showing you guys the hairstyle rather. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing, and then I'll come back and continue. So now I'm going to start from the second part or the second side of my hair, and I'm going to be using my left hand to make the part and grabbing with my right hand, if that makes anything. So it goes inwards and it matches with with the other side, because we're trying to make the flat twist pattern match. So on the other side, I was using my right hand to make the part and using my left hand to grab, while on the right side I'm using my left hand to make the part for each twist and using my right for the flat twist and using my right hand to grab. I really do hope that made sense. I really hope that made sense. So now I'm just going to flat twist this last section, and yeah, I'm just going to flat twist that down. I'm still using the same method I used for this part. So guys, if you have been following me for a while, you would know that I usually sit in front of the camera and just do my hairstyles from my mind, and this is one of the hairstyles where I was sort of confused for a bit. At first I wanted to do like a flat twist go in front and flat twist going upwards at the back, and then just sort of make a bun at the end. But as I was flat twisting going upwards, I kind of sort of felt like, okay, this is just going to make my head feel weird, or it's just going to bring out the shape of my head weirdly. And when I looked in the mirror as well, I was like, nah, I was not feeling it, and then I decided to take it down. This just shows that not every style you do at first has to work. You can keep trying. And then the second time I tried it again, I decided to do big chunky twist, like single strand twist, about three of them at the back, and I decided to start tucking it in itself, like tucking the twist in itself, and then using a bobby pin to pin that in order to secure it. Okay, at first I was not really seeing what I was doing because this just looks like a hot mess. It looked like a hot mess when I was done because I was not really securing it really tightly, and my hair strands, like the ends of my hair, the twists were just flying around helter skelter. And I was just like, you know what, this is not what I want to do. And when I wanted to go change, I thought this is what I wanted because I could not see the back. When I was changing and I used like 2 mirrors to see the back, and I saw this is not what I wanted. This is not what I wouldn't go out looking like this, and I wouldn't tell you guys to go out looking like this. So I decided, you know what, I'm just going to change it up or switch it up and come back, or switch it up after I came back. After changing, I came back and I showed you guys what the hairstyle the final hairstyle. Sorry, I don't know why I seem so lost, but anyways, this is not my final hairstyle, guys. I'm just going to come back and show you guys what I chose to do. So hey guys, I didn't like how the back of my hair was looking, so I'm going to change how it looks now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this twists, so I'm going to section this part away for a minute, and then I'm going to put it down and tie it in a bun. And I've tied it in a bun. I really do hope this is coming out alright or nice. And then I'm going to take out the hair at the back. Honestly guys, you can do anything you want. You can make it in twist and just walk around like that, or anything you want to do that you feel will work for you. Feel free. I'm going to take this and just put this down and put this over. So I'm basically going to use my own hair to cover the bun I made, and then I'm going to tuck the ends in and bobby pin it. I really do hope this one is way better than. So this is what it's looking like. This is my final result. You can choose to flat twist the back of your hair. You can choose to do anything you want at the back section, but I just wanted to show you guys this elegant look of how to style your natural hair. You can wear it to church, you can wear it to meetings, you can wear it casually, just, you know, it's a very simple, feminine, laid back hairstyle for your natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you've not clicked it. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. And also comment if you like this hairstyle, if you would do it, if you would use this hairstyle. Please let me know in the comment section below so I know I'm actually giving you guys hairstyle you can wear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.